on the lines of Jan Aushadhi Kendra, which provide affordable medicines to the people and lessen their out-of-pocket expenditure on healthcare. On the same grounds, a new concept has emerged and which talks about the Pashu Aushadhi Kendra. So basically, it is about providing medicines, the affordable medicines with regard to the animals, or you can say the veterinary medicines. And this is what we will be looking today, because this has become, or in the coming time, this will be a revolution with respect to the livestock healthcare. Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I'm Aisha, and in today's episode, we will be talking about the topic of the livestock revolution with regard to Pashu Aushadhi Kendra. So first of all, about the points of discussion, first we will be looking at the news, then it is based on the Jan Aushadhi Kendra, then what are Pashu Aushadhi matters and what is it and why is it matters. It will be run by the cooperative societies and it will also sell traditional medicines or not, and in the end a prelims MCQ. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3. So the news talks about Pashu Aushadhi Kendra, how government plans to improvise its Jan Aushadhi initiative to protect livestock health. So the Pashu Aushadhi Kendra. So Pashu is basically the livestock. Aushadhi Kendra. Kendra is a place where you get medicines. So a place where you will get affordable medicines at a lesser price with regard to the livestock population. Now let us talk about the news. So the government has said that it will open Pashu Aushadhi stores across the country. It means pan India, the Pashu Aushadhi stores will be opened by the government. And the aim is to provide affordable generic veterinary medicine. Veterinary medicine means the medicines which are related to animals. So affordable medicine is what is the aim of it, so that the medicines which are considered to be expensive and people are not able to buy those medicines but are required for the betterment of the livestock, so they will also be now in the people's reach to people engaged in animal husbandry and dairying. So basically this will be a revolution with regard to the healthcare of the livestock. Now let us talk about that the Pashu Aushadhi Kendra is based on the Jan Aushadhi Kendra. So Pashu Aushadhi initiative has been conceptualized on the lines of the existing Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra. So the Jan Aushadhi Kendra basically is a concept which is run by the government, and the concept is that at the Jan Aushadhi Kendra or the Jan Aushadhi stores, people get affordable medicines. The medicines which usually is very expensive, so people get it at a lesser price and they become affordable to people. So the aim of the Jan Aushadhi Kendra is to provide quality generic medicines at affordable prices in order to bring down the healthcare budget of every citizen of India, because the out-of-pocket expenditure for the people that they spend on healthcare is one of the problems in nowadays, because we see that the insurance, the penetration of insurance in the rural and the urban areas is not very high. That is not even 50%, I would say not even 40% as of now. So whenever even a single person gets ill in our family, this becomes a financial burden on the family, because the healthcare is very expensive, hospitalization is very expensive, and medicines also are very expensive to bear. And more than 10,300 Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Kendra are currently functional across the country. So more than 10,000. Then India will celebrate Jan Aushadhi Divas on 7th of March. So India celebrates the Jan Aushadhi Divas on 7th March. The generic medicines. So what are basically the generic medicines? Because it is the generic medicines which people get at the Jan Aushadhi stores. So what are generic medicines? So generic medicines are basically non-branded drugs. So the drugs which, so see, there is original drugs and then there is generic medicines. So the generic medicines are made as it is like the original drugs, but they are non-branded in nature. So generic medicines are basically non-branded drugs which are marketed under a non-proprietary or approved name rather than a proprietary or brand name. So basically they are generic in nature. Generic means they are not original, they are just like original, but they do not have a brand name on which it will get sold. Then while the Pradhan Mantri Jan Aushadhi Kendra provide medicines for humans, Pashu Aushadhi Kendra will provide generic medicines for animals. So the Jan Aushadhi Kendra and the Pashu Aushadhi Kendra, common thing is that the generic medicines will be provided at affordable rate across the country to make healthcare affordable for the people. Next is Pashu Aushadhi. Now why Pashu Aushadhi matters? So if we talk about the 20th livestock census, then India's livestock population stood at around 535.78 million in the year 2019. And if we talk about the total bovine population includes cattle, buffalo, mithun and yak. So that is around 302.7 million. Then if we talk about the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, so according to it, productivity of livestock is impacted adversely. So productivity of livestock is adversely impacted due to diseases like foot and mouth disease, brucellosis, pest the pettis ruminants, then cerebrospinal fluid, lumpy skin disease, etc. So these are the these are the diseases which impact the productivity of livestock. Then while measures such as vaccination drives have been taken proactively, a lot remains to be done. So basically to improve the healthcare of the livestock, which matters to humans also because they provide products which we consume. Then a significant portion of the out-of-pocket expenditure of farmers goes into buying medicines to treat their cattle and other animals for illnesses. Now, one of the problems is that if we talk about the farmers, so the lifeline of farmers are their cattle. The lifeline of farmers are their livestock. And if the healthcare of the livestock will be very, very expensive, then how are we expecting that the farmers are going to survive? And the aim of the government, which also talks about the doubling of farmers' income, how is that going to take place? Next is that the Pashu Aushadhi Kendra will be run by the cooperative societies. So the Pashu Aushadhi Kendra stores will be run by cooperative societies and the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samriddhi Kendra. So these are the two things where out of which the Pashu Aushadhi Kendra will be run. Then the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying will soon release guidelines for the functioning of these stores. So till now the guidelines have not been released, but soon the guidelines will be released that how the functioning of these stores will take place. Then it will also sell traditional medicines. So the Pashu Aushadhi Kendra will also sell ethno-veterinary medicines. Now ethno-veterinary medicines means the traditional medicines or the original medicines. They are based on traditional beliefs and indigenous knowledge and practices. So the traditional beliefs which has been going on since the last centuries and centuries, and the farmers or the people who are living in rural areas, they follow their own traditional practices in order to deal with any type of or any kind of healthcare problem. Then the National Dairy Development Board has compiled a list of ethno-veterinary formulations for important ailments in bovines. So a list has been prepared. Then these include formulations for the treatment of mastitis, foot and mouth disease, lesions, then fever, diarrhea, bloating and indigestion and worm. So traditional medicines are also there with regards to every disease. The formulation to treat animal fever include items such as coriander, garlic, bay leaves, pepper, cumin, turmeric powder, betel, tulsi, neem, sweet basil and many more. So the traditional items will also be sold at the Jan Aushadhi Kendra. And now in the end, the prelims MCQ, and like always, you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So the question reads, Pashu Aushadhi Kendra are part of the government's initiative to promote traditional farming methods, provide affordable medicines for livestock health, then support animal breeding programs, or last, develop veterinary education and training. So send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time. Keep reading, keep writing and keep subscribing to the channel. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.